You will find a vast array on the main promenade from shops to bars, so let's get into it. First off, guest services and soar excursion where you can get help with most queries or book your next excursion. Opposite you have a champagne bar. Then you have next cruise to make a booking for your next cruise with a better price than off the ship. Although don't get caught up in the fun, you will find the very exotical name shop called the shop. They sells a bit of everything, mainly glasses and items of the moment such as these Inter Milan shirts. A great spot for a snacks any time of day is Cafe Promenade. Coffee, cake, sandwich any time of a day, free to eat. Opposite you got Sugar Beach, an expensive way to get your sugar fix. The RC cruise often lacks sweet stuff outside of just cakes and cookies, not free. Next door, keeping on this sweet theme, is Ben and Jerry's ice cream station. Exotic flavor not available elsewhere on the ship, not free. You will notice this bridge too, where performance happens later in the evening. Then you have collections, a high-end store selling bags, purses, and wallets. Regalia is the main jewelry store for high-end goods, and they even run these fun promotion events where you can win small prizes. Squeezed in halfway is Vintage, a bar nothing too crazy but nice to sit in. Then you got Soleta, which is like an airport duty free, getting your smellies and makeup. The next bar up is L and Anchor, a bit more of a pop theme going on in this one. There is also a trend tailored towards ladies' jewelry, but with a man's display, mostly watches. Port and shopping decks for any informations, as sometimes they have time sensitive promotions. Then Sorrento's one of my favorites, also free. You can get pizza that is really delicious as much as you want. Rotation flavors, open late with a good selection of on-hand drinks, free to eat. Then finally you got the market. This is again similar to duty free with alcohol and cigarettes, but also a generic gift shop pushing the Royal Caribbean stocks, plus your last minute forgotten items like toothpaste. This sum up the promenade tour. We got many more tours of independence of the sea plus a whole 6 days vlog about our trip. So like and subscribe and check out all of our contents.